In this video, I would like to take a Compose Android Studio project, and it's sort of pre-existing, and I'm going to have the Kotlin file, which is the only file that I've edited in that project, and then reconstruct a project around that. And it would be easy if I gave the project the same name, so I want to give the project a different name and then sort of see where that name pops up and, where to copy and where not to copy. Okay, so I have this ransom note with ransom spelled wrong file, and I made within Compose, and it is just the Kotlin file. I should be able to construct everything from that since it's the only file I edited. And now I have Android Studio open. I'm going to start a new project, and I will do an empty activity. So this is more of the Compose type. And I'm going to give it a name. I'll call it, I don't know, Note Revisited or something. Okay. So different name. And finish. And it sort of opens up a new studio. So here's the studio with this new project getting started. And there are going to be like 4 places that I'm going to have to worry about. There is the package that has the name of the project. There is the theme, and that has the name. And then in the imports, there's a connection to the theme. And then down under the preview, we'll see the theme again. So if you are previewing, that will make like 4 places where I must be careful, where I have to make sure that I don't overwrite the new name with the old name. So again, here's this first one in the package. It has this new name, Note Revisited. There is a connection to the theme, Note Revisited theme. So not only does it create the MainActivity.kt up here in the sort of code region, but there is this theme KT, and it defines Note Revisited theme. And so that's another thing that gets named with the project name. And then we use, so here's the connecting to it. So here's the package. Here's the connecting to that theme code. Here is us within onCreate and setContent, us invoking that theme. And then down here in the preview, again, the theme is invoked. So that's the 4 places I have to be careful about. Now here I've opened up just in Notepad++ the text for a file that was composed. And so here are the things that I don't want: the ransom, the import ransom, the ransom theme, and the ransom theme again down in the preview. So those are the things I must be careful of. Okay, so let me grab the imports, but not the theme, all the imports except the theme, and not the package. And let's start there. So everything but the theme, not the package, not the theme, everything else I'm going to paste over. And now I have the same imports as the previous project. It should agree with, because it's the same kind of project, main activity, override onCreate, super onCreate, setContent. And now here's the theme, ransom note theme, and here it's Note Revisited theme. And so I want to copy down, and then I'm going to stop short of the preview because that's again another place I have to be careful. So let's grab all of this sort of set onCreate stuff. This is a function I defined, a composable function I defined called word display. And then down here is the preview. I'm going to stop short of the preview because, again, the theme is going to come in there. So I'm going to copy all this. And I'm going from the theme, down to preview. So from theme, after theme, because I want the new theme name, and down and to preview. So I'm pasting that. And then down here, in the preview, again, the theme shows up. So I want, I'll say everything after the theme. And I'm going to copy down here, everything after the theme. Okay. And then you look for any red. I'm not seeing any red. I have a import that I'm not using. That might have been the case in the other one. I don't know, but now it's just a text file, so I can't tell. But let's try and run this and see if we have a successful running project. So again, I had a Kotlin file from a previous project that I made with Compose, and I am trying to set up a new project. And so I want to know like what to copy and what not to copy. And that new name of the new project, as far as I could tell, appeared in 4 places: in the package, in the import to the theme that was also created, and 2 invocations of that theme, one in the setContent of the sort of onCreate of the main activity, and another one in the preview. And now if this Gradle will build, we'll see if it actually, the new runs. And this was my sort of ransom note project, and I pasted in. So, and there is my running ransom node. Okay, so I can reconstruct. So if I, hand you the Kotlin file of a Compose project, then you can reconstruct a project around that, so long as you're careful about these 4 places: the package, the importing the theme, the invocation of the theme in the main activity, and the invocation of the theme in the preview, if you're using a preview. Okay, that's what I wanted to show you. Thanks for your attention.